friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from BuyMeganElizabeth.com, and I'm going to do a fun tutorial today using our Echo Park coffee kit. April has been all about fun, and I know not every moment of every day of April has been fun for everybody, but we've been focused on fun inside She Makes Club, and I wanted to bring a little fun inspiration over to every place else that I'm at, from the website to Facebook and YouTube. So today I wanted to do a bright, fun, colorful layout. Today's plan: drink coffee, be awesome. And some days that's all we got in us, just to drink the coffee and be an awesome person. And other days we can take on the entire world. And I'm a big proponent of there's no right way or wrong way to have and do those things. So what I'm going to do today is really just walk you through the entire process of kind of my layout. I don't have a final plan. I had some ideas and thoughts of using some of the stickers that come inside the kit because I think they're really cute. Coffee makes everything possible is a good one. Keep calm and coffee on. May your coffee be strong and your Monday be short. But I wanted it to work around this today's plan: drink coffee and be awesome. And I have a couple pictures of me drinking coffee. Surprise! And I wanted to really just kind of have fun and play with these particular colors and pieces today to make this come together and happen. So what I was in my head thinking is layering these three colors together to create photo matting and the base for the page. So we're going to kind of see how this goes as we go. I'm really thinking I want this rose color pink. You can see the colors are, these colors are all in the background of some of the accent pages. So we're going to start with this as my base, and I'm going to paper saver it. So I'm going to take my beige color, and we're going to go down and do an 8. Should we do 7.5? Let's see, because if I want a photo mat, can I do 7? If I do 7.5, I could use the same piece of paper. So we'll do 7.5, 7.5. And we'll do this one at 6 3/4 by 6 3/4. And that should be enough for us to kind of create the base and some of the pieces that I want to do. Oh, and I was going to paper saver, so hold on. Let's get in there. If I'm doing 7.5, kind of see where I want this to go. All right. And we'll set these aside and work with the pictures. I think we're just going to do, probably going to do these two. And we'll save that. And now we need to do this part. Set aside for the next part. I don't think I need, oh yeah, I do. I'm going to trim off the bottom edge of this because this is still going to be intact full size. That one's good. Let's just trim off the bottom of this because I'm thinking about using this piece as well, but I haven't figured it out for sure. I don't know if that's going to be the top or the bottom. So now that we kind of played with this a little bit, we're going to place this down along the lower edge. Whoa. Gonna leave like 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, something like that stick out, probably closer to a 1/2 inch out the bottom. We're gonna tilt this one and we're gonna round the corners to 1/4 inch. Just a subtle round, nothing dramatic here. Okay, and then we're gonna place this one up here and this one down here. So we'll start by placing this one because I think all my other elements are gonna depend on where this one lands. So kind of have it sticking out. And then I'm gonna have a spot for journaling, which is always key to me. All right, so then that one there. And I'm not using that other paper, which is fine. We're just gonna keep it kind of simple. Just like that. Keep calm and coffee on. There we go. Oh, there's so many I want to use. Coffee every day. So cute. I love these. This cup is stinking adorable. I should pop that up. Should I? And we'll just place it on there. Ooh, there's so many I want to use. Ooh, change the world, start with coffee. No, we're not going to keep using them. Oh, I want to use them all. Oh, look, there's a little sticker that says today's plan, drink coffee and be awesome. That's fun. Okay, so we're going to kind of keep it really simple. I think we're going to stick just to that. I kind of want to just put all the stickers on though. I'm not going to lie. I want to put them all on. Okay, so then we're going to make this a journal slider, which was my thoughts. See how I want to do this here. All right, so to make this a journal slider, I'm going to trim this down to a little more than 3 inches. Okay, and then I'm going to take the edges that say coffee here from the paper tab. All right, so it's what's left over of the cardstock that we used, and I'm going to just snip into it a tiny little bit, and this is going to act like my pull tab to do my hidden journaling, and it's going to go underneath here. So I'm just going to put the adhesive right along the edge. This is going to go to where the coffee sticks out. And it should be big enough, but let me just double check to be sure. Oh yeah, perfect. So it'll slide in and out of there perfectly. So that's just what I wanted to be sure that it did. So then it says coffee, and I just feel like because of doing that, it needs just a little bit of something. I just feel like it needs a tiny coffee cup or something, but latte cup. How cute is that? So then this is where my journaling will go all on there. So then I can slide it in and out. Whoa. And I think that will complete my little layout for today's Tuesday tutorial. It's fun to create. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful April. May 1st, we're starting up the 31 She Makes Her Life journey. We're going to do something creative and encouraging every single day for 31 days, and hopefully help you feel a little bit more creative, calm, relaxed, and have some fun. I hope to see you in there. Come on over and visit us at shemakes.club. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy the moments. Bye-bye.